Hey, food lovers, ready to master the art of making the most delicious creamy garlic mashed potatoes you've ever tasted. Let's dive straight into the secrets that will elevate your culinary skills. First things first, the choice of potato is crucial. I personally go for Yukon Golds for their buttery texture. Now, rinse and peel your potatoes. Yes, peeling is essential here to get that smooth consistency we all love. Once they're peeled, cut them into even chunks. This ensures they all cook at the same rate. No one wants half-mashed, half-crunchy potatoes. Now let's talk about the star of the show, garlic. Instead of just chopping it up, we're going to roast it. Roasting garlic transforms it, bringing out a sweet, milder flavor that infuses beautifully with the potatoes. To roast, simply cut the top off a head of garlic, drizzle it with olive oil, wrap it in foil, and pop it in the oven at 400° F for about 30-35 minutes. The aroma is irresistible. While the garlic is doing its magic in the oven, it's time to boil the potatoes. Place them in a large pot, cover them with cold water, and bring to a boil. Season the water with a good pinch of salt. It should taste like the sea. This is the first layer of flavor. Once the potatoes are fork tender, drain them and return them to the pot. Here comes another trick. Let them sit in the pot for a minute or two. The residual heat helps dry them out, which means more fluffiness. Now squeeze out the soft roasted garlic cloves directly into the pot with the potatoes. Add in some butter, don't be shy here, and a splash of cream. If you're feeling adventurous, a sprinkle of parmesan adds a lovely depth. Then it's all about mashing. You can use a potato masher for a chunkier texture or a ricer for that silky smooth finish. Finally, taste and adjust the seasoning. Maybe a bit more salt, a crack of black pepper, or even a hint of nutmeg to complement the garlic. And there you have it. Garlic mashed potatoes that are bound to impress at any dinner table. Serve them up and watch them disappear. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, cooking is not just a skill, it's an art. Explore, taste, and enjoy the process. Until next time, happy cooking.